In the spirit of me pulling my back out, we're still very low key. Today, I was thinking about Halloween. Halloween's coming up, right? It got me thinking, well, I can't do any fishing. Yeah, was going to go out to Osgood Trails and fish, but guys, my back is just shot. Completely shot. There's no way in hell I'm going to do that. When I was bringing in the carp in the last video, it tore my back to pieces. It just completely tore it up. So, with thinking about Halloween, since I'm sticking low key, I want to take you over to an old schoolhouse. Got some things to tell you about that. Anytime you get ready to go up on an address and you're on a street that doesn't get much traffic, you wonder if you're still allowed to do this. We're gonna find out. Here's the old school I want to bring you guys to today, guys. This old school right here. Now, if you want to know any history of this school, I will put it down in the description. Back some years ago, I did a whole video about the historical part of this school, but that's not what I want to talk about today. Halloween's coming, right? Back many years ago when I was a younger guy, let me swing around, this place right here, which used to be an old school, it was also used for a place for Halloween. A place they set up and had people take tours through just to scare them. I was one of the people that was scaring people, yeah. Now, before we go up to it, Angie's trying to find out, see if it's private property or not. See if we're allowed to walk around it, get some video footage, because I don't want to trespass. I don't know who owns it. I'm hoping the city does. So as soon as she finds out, we'll get to it, if she can find out. But years ago, I used to sit up in here for the haunted house. Now, I've done it 2 years in a row. And oh man, I tell you, when I went in there, it was really neat. It was just like it was when it used to be a school. Now, my mother-in-law actually went to school here years and years ago. And like I said, when I went in here, as we was setting up for the haunted house, it was just like it was back then. But I do wonder what the city's going to do with it. Okay, still waiting for Angie to find out the information on it. She hasn't found nothing out yet, so hopefully we'll be able to go up there. I just don't know. Did you find anything out on it? No? You don't think it'll matter if we walk around it, do you? I mean, the cops get called, I just tell them what I'm doing. Well, there you go. We're just going to walk around anyway. I don't think it'd be a problem. Well, anyway, when this was a haunted house, I tell you right now, it being a historical place like it is, you'd think they would have took much better care of it. And guys, I was a young guy back then, and I didn't really give two craps about a lot of things, but holy, this place was beat the crap in the back inside. But yeah, let's see if we can walk around it and maybe not get in trouble. Okay, we're gonna walk down here, and I don't know if we'll be able to go behind it or not. We thought maybe we could go behind it and still be safe, but you know what? Let's just get the side of it. Because honestly, I don't know if somebody owns this, I don't want to get in trouble. Then again, I still don't think we will get in trouble. Just saying. But anyway, we will get in here, we'll set up, and it's bigger than what you think it is on the inside. And then they would run people through, like 12 at a time, and, we'd try to scare the crap out of them. I don't see a no trespassing sign, do you? I don't think it's going to hurt just to walk around real quick and come back down. As it would, I mean, if nobody is out here, whoa, oh God, that hurt my back even more. Let me show you what my clumsy butt just tripped over. Some of the rock walls giving away and I just tripped over that. What's funny is, as we was walking down, I noticed them on the ground. You think I would remember that walking back. But no, my clumsy butt wants to trip over things. All right, let's walk around it, because I want to show you some things behind the building. But anyway, it turned into a haunted house. I don't know how many years it was a haunted house before I came and helped, and I didn't get paid to do this. It was all for raising money for something, although I don't know how well they did for raising money. But anyway, that's another story. But I can tell you now, they didn't seem to care about putting nails in the floor. They didn't seem to care about keeping the aspect of it being historical. And I didn't do any nailing, I didn't do any of the props. My job was to get makeup on that took forever to come off and scare people. The thing we're going to get a close-up on is it looks like an old silo. But actually what this is an old fire escape. Now this is fantastic right here. This right here, I don't know if I'm getting it on here because that sun's right in my eyes. That is an old fire escape right there, guys. So if there was ever a fire in the building, this is how the children got out. Wow. Now I've only seen pictures of the fire escape. Matter of fact, when I did video of this back some years ago, I don't think I got this part on video. Well, anyway, they quit having a haunted house here because I don't know how true this was. The city didn't like the fact that they were doing a little bit of damage inside. So now I don't know if it's under the historical society or not. I don't know if they picked up on it, but yeah, it's quite unique, isn't it? And there's a camera in that window, so we're on camera right now. Of course, we didn't do anything wrong. We're not doing anything bad. I'm just getting video footage of it. Oh my God, this place is so beautiful. We're gonna get another shot of it and we go from there, guys. Low key, man, low key. Something out of the storybook, something from our past. Just imagine something this small compared to today was the school back then. Children went there.
Are you doing a video
something else. Okay, right off the bat. Oh, I love doing what I do, guys. It's no doubt. Had a little girl come up here and says, "Hey, you guys get a video of that old school right there?" I said, "Yes, I am." She caught me off guard, caught me off my game, and she was like, "Yeah, my dad knows a lot about that," and she was just about as cute as can be. Caught Angie and I off our game, to be honest with you. She's like, "You're a YouTuber." I was like, "Yeah." It was cute, guys. Hands down, it was cute. But the old schoolhouse, I'm going to put it down in the description. When I did this before, and I think that video I might have did it justice. But as that little girl says, her dad knows all about it. Too bad the gentleman wasn't out here to tell us, or I would put him on YouTube as well, if he was okay with it. Alright guys, I'm going on to another location, do another video. because I'm keeping it low key, and for the rest of the week all I'm going to do is edit and rest up my back. So let's go to another location, which would be your all's Monday. Yeah, we'll see you over there, or we'll see you then. Come on, let's get out of here. That was so cute, wasn't it? We've had people come up to us before, never a little kid like that before. Caught me off my game.
Yeah, I saw her coming.
Yeah, I heard her say, hey. Okay, we'll see you later, guys.